Hello po to all subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to support me always to my content. Thank you so much. Hope na never kayo magsasawa sa video ko, sa content ko. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hindi ko po ito makukuha within 1 month. Nakuha ko po yung 100 subscribers po. 2 months pa po ako sa YouTube. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nakuha ko po to. Yung silver button, hindi ko po to makukuha kung wala kayo. Maraming salamat po. Makakauwi na po ako. Mag-continue ko na lang po sa Pilipinas po. Thank you so much. Continue ko na lang po yung pag-i-edit ko doon sa Pinas po. Never give up kahit daming haters and basher. Thank you so much all. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless. Love you all.